Hey, my name's James Nicholson and welcome to this channel. Now in this video, I want to tell you my story about how I've made YouTube a full-time income stream for myself on this channel and on a property channel that I also run. Now, I've been in business for 17 years. I've had all the ups and downs that you get as an entrepreneur. I've had a failed business which left me £50,000 in debt. And I've spent millions of pounds on advertising and marketing, and I'm known for Facebook ads and all this kind of stuff. And I've discovered along the way that one of the most important things that you must do is build a relationship and build a rapport with your ideal customer. Now, that for me is all about putting content out. In fact, I do cover that in my book, Expert Mastery. If you want a free copy, hint, there's a link in the description where you can grab a free copy and we'll ship that out to you. But what I've figured out in 17 years in business, that building relationships via content is really important. You see, online is very, very different, isn't it? You can't meet everyone that you see online, and people don't know you, they don't like you, and they don't trust you. And so what you must use content for is to bridge that gap, to start getting them to start believing that you're an expert by demonstrating you're an expert. And so content is the best way to do that. And you can put that content on LinkedIn, you can put it on Twitter, you can put it on Instagram, you can put it on Snapchat. But the best place to really build a relationship with people is on YouTube. Now, I'm not the biggest YouTuber in the world. I don't have millions of subscribers. I don't have hundreds of thousands of comments on every video that I make, but I have enough to be able to make a very, very successful business. And my businesses have generated tens of millions of pounds over the years. And so what I've found is that when you build a relationship with people, then they're going to be drawn to you. Now, you have to, if you want to be successful at YouTube, the chances of you being the next travel YouTuber or gaming YouTuber, they're quite low. And so what I've discovered is that you need other products and services built around what it is that you offer. And so what we have in this business is various different levels of products. For example, I have a book that we give away for free. I have digital courses that start at £27. I have a business accelerator that's a couple of £1,000, and then I have mentoring. And so how I get my clients is I build that relationship with them on YouTube. I demonstrate that I know what I'm talking about when it comes to marketing. And so softly they can get to know me, and some of them really like me and others don't. So that's cool too. Right, and so I don't want to work with everybody. I'm pretty full with all my clients at the moment. And YouTube is the way that we've done that. And so we're launching very soon a property education business. And we're doing that via YouTube. So for the last 6 weeks, I have a channel that's called the Property Accelerator. You can check that out if you want to go and check it out. And so on there, you'll see that all we're doing at the moment is building an audience. And so that's what I say to my business mentees that I teach, right? And so what I say to them, if you're not getting enough sales, is because you don't have an audience. You don't have people listening to you and seeing you as an expert. And so with that property business, right now, I'm documenting my journey. I'm showing people behind the scenes of all the work that I'm currently doing. I'm currently investing up in Doncaster. I'm investing also down south in Dorking. And I'm just showing people and being open and honest of the highs and the lows that are going on. Like tonight on that channel, there's a video going out because the Doncaster project isn't going on time. It's slightly delayed. Builder thinks he's going to be finished next week. I don't. So I'm showing people that. I'm documenting that. I've made a video of the project where it's at. And so that will build that audience. And from the back of that, I've taken those people from YouTube, I put them into a Facebook community, which is now 300 strong. And that is really, really powerful. So I'm building that rapport with them. In fact, one guy already within that first few weeks has already bought a property at auction just with the free value that I've given online. He hasn't bought anything from me. And so what I'm saying is that you can build great income as a YouTuber, but you must have other income streams. Don't just rely on the Google AdSense payments, because they take time to come through. You need to get 1,000 subscribers. You need to get 4,000 watch hours, which is harder than the 1,000 subscribers. And then you need to keep that going, right? And you need to keep posting consistently. Whereas just to be successful as a YouTuber, if you have other products and services, that's when you can really focus on this and make this your full-time job that little bit sooner. So like I've said, I've got books, I've got digital courses, I've got mentorships, I've got live events, I've got tons of products and services that help people at different levels. The more money they pay me, the more intimate, the more my time that they get to work with me in a one-on-one basis. And so going forward, that's what I want you to think about. In fact, the easier way to get that really understood and nailed in is just look at the Business Accelerator methodology and just see how this all works in here. Now, look, if you found this useful and you want to be a YouTuber, first thing you can do to help me, guys, is smash that like button. Hit the subscribe button as well. I've got new content every single week about growing, scaling, and marketing a business. So I don't want you guys to miss out on that stuff. So go and check that out, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Go and check the video that comes up at the end here and see what else you can learn while you're here. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon.